This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very simple layout. And all you have to do once you have set it up and everything, you can pretty much add what tap on the plus icon and drink here. Once you have drink the amount of water that you have set it to, and you're pretty much good to go. It tracks your water and everything. And also in the history section here, you do see how much water you have drank throughout the day, throughout the week, and even for the month. So you can track your water intake. Also, you have insights as it relates to why you should drink water, the benefits of drinking water, and just some basic stuff based on water and other questions that you may ask. Also in the main section here, nothing much. You have some sound effects and so forth which you can enable. You have the smart skip option there, and also you can set your daily goal of the amount of water that you want to drink per day. And also you can adjust the units as it relates to the water. So very easy app to use. Very simple. And also you can tap on the remove ads feature down here. And as you can see, that is the price to remove the ads from the application. So very easy app to use. And if I miss anything at all, please comment below. I'd love to help you out. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.